This video will introduce you to the new Task Manager feature, which enables teachers to create tasks for whole classes or groups of individuals that can direct the students on a path appropriate to the results they achieve in an activity. Let's look at an example. From the dashboard, you can select the Task Manager icon. Click on Create, select Directed Task, and give your task a name. The range of activities for a task will be displayed as icons such as these. Select the icon you want to set first and drag it to the line above. You'll be prompted to select the section and chapter you want your activity drawn from. Use the drop-down arrows to make your selection and click Insert. When you choose to set exercise questions for your students, you may be asked to select the level the questions are to be drawn from, and this may vary for different resources. When you add a measurable activity, such as a score chart or a quiz, you will see a set of arrows on the top of the icon. This indicates a point where you can direct students on a different path based on their results. If we click on these arrows, you will see a slider that enables you to set the achievement score for the different directions. For example, if you set a 35% accuracy, a student will have to get 35% of the questions correct to follow this path, and any student who achieves less than 35% will be directed on a different path. Now you can choose tasks appropriate for each path. For the students who have scored over your benchmark, you may wish to send them to the Scorcher competition or to complete more difficult exercise questions. For students who did not achieve your benchmark, you may wish to get them to complete a walkthrough, a worksheet, or to watch a video demonstration. When you insert a widget, walkthrough, or a video, you can preview the item before you choose it by clicking on the name. Once you are happy with the item, check the box and click Insert. At any point along the directed task, you may insert a self-assessment. This will ask your students to rate their confidence on a 4-point scale. Once you have added all of your activities, you are ready to assign your task. Click on Assign, type a message for your students, and select the class or students you want to assign it to. You can multi-select classes or students by holding down Control on a PC or Command on a Mac. Your task can now be found in the Assign Tasks tab, where you can check on your students' progress. This new Task Manager also includes a template function that will enable teachers to create a task template which can assign multiple sections to any number of classes. A how-to video for this feature is coming soon, but go to the Help icon on your dashboard to find out more.